There's a tool right now that closes deals while you sleep. It books meetings, follows up, collects deposit all through DMs. One clinic used it to collect a $1,000 deposit on a $50,000 service with zero human involvement. And right now, you can buy a lifetime license and resell it under your own brand. That's the play. Everyone's building AI tools right now. N8N workflows, ChatGPT wrappers, custom agents, Claude Code, OpenClaw. And for a prototype, sure, that works. But the second a real client depends on it, everything breaks. Your N8N flow goes down at 2 a.m. Your wrapper hits rate limits. Your AI agent hallucinates during a sales conversations with a paying customer. And now you're not building anymore, you're firefighting. You're debugging somebody else's API at midnight because the client's leads aren't getting responses. There's a massive gap between I built an AI thing and a business pays me monthly for this. And most people get stuck in that gap for months, if not forever. Building, tweaking, rebuilding, never actually selling. I spent 2 years closing that gap. The AppChamp is an AI sales agent. WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, SMS, web chat. Over 500 brands use it. It handles real sales conversations, not how can I help you today, chatbot garbage, actual objection handling, appointment booking, and deposit collection. And here's what nobody says out loud. You don't need to build the AI, you need to sell it. Building feels productive, selling feels uncomfortable, so people keep building. The AppChamp is fully white label ready, meaning your logo, your domain, your colors. Your client never sees my brand, they see yours. You charge them whatever you want, 300 a month, 500 a month, you keep 100%. That means you're running an AI agency without writing a single line of code, without maintaining a single server, without debugging anything at 2 a.m. You just sell and deliver. But here's where it gets interesting, because right now the cost to get in isn't what you'd expect. The AppChamp just launched on AppSumo, lifetime deal, one payment, you own the license forever, no monthly cost eating into your margins. The reseller math on a lifetime deal is insane, but I'll break that down after I show you how fast the setup actually is. I'm about to switch to my screen and set up a white label client from scratch, custom domain, logo, channels, everything, and I want you to watch the clock. So I've already bought the domain through Cloudflare. You can buy any domain. Already set up a landing page. Don't want to go over this too much, but just use Claude Code to generate a landing page and just push it to Cloudflare pages, which is free. So next up, I got my AppChamp account. I'll go over to settings. Oh, look, we got an update. Click update. Head over to settings. I'll just turn on screen recording mode, and then I'll go over to white labeling. So I've already added a test domain, which is just garbage. So I'll click change, confirm, and then we need this domain. So I'll just copy this, and I'll just add app before it, and then continue. We just got to add this CNAME record, so just click copy, go back to Cloudflare, DNS, records. We're going to add a new record, so add a record, CNAME, just paste this here. And what do we need to add? So again, app dot, and then we just paste it. I turn this off, otherwise it doesn't work, I'm pretty sure. So we click save, and we just have to wait now for a bit. So head back to the AppChamp, click verify. It might already have been processed, not yet. While that's processing, I'll just see if I can find the logo for this. We'll just use this as a logo for now. It's uploading. Also add your icon. Just type in icon. Should have something. Let's just grab this one, right? And then we just give it a name. Call it my review agent. I use the same SEO title. Just copy this for the description. We'll leave the terms and conditions for now. I'll click save. Expired. I'll just pass my URL for now. We can change the color. Let's just pick something else. Check if this is done. You can see the domain is connected. Then we just click save, and our white label is ready. So now if you head over to app.myreviewagent, so we just change this to app. First time you might see this, but it takes some time for the SSL certificate to be up and running. So your actual end clients won't see this, but you might because you're very early. So just click continue, and there we have it, our very own white label. The naming doesn't make sense because I just took some logos I found locally, but it's really that easy to set it up. Now let me show you how easy it is to actually create a campaign for a client. So I actually won't be using the white label version. I'll just say here. So sub accounts, I've already created a sub account here. You can create a manual sub account, or you can enable reselling where someone actually has to create an account, pay through Stripe, and they're fully self-managed. But if you want to manage it for them, you can create a sub account here manually. So I've already done that. It's just you fill in the first name, last name, email, and business details. So I'll log into this sub account, and once you log in, you'll be taken to the guided onboarding. So I'll just go there directly. So we got guided onboarding. Let's think, what shall we use as an example? Oh, let's use AppSumo. So AppSumo is a SaaS, I guess. Right, let's see. Let's do customer support. Next, no booking. Then we go AppSumo.com, analyze the website, upload any files you might have. Wait a moment, scroll down, you can see a quick website analysis. So click next. Here you connect your channels. I've already connected to WhatsApp, so just pick that. Click next. Here give it a moment to finalize the AI, and we can see it's ready, so just click save. We'll keep follow-ups off for now. If you can test everything out, we'll just skip it, go next, and it's live. So here we have my test number, so I'll be messaging that from my main account. So let me just go to dashboard, chats. I'll just clear this chat because this is me. So if I head back to the main account, need to figure out which one it is now. I think it's this. So if I just say hi now, so this, I'm sending a message from my main account to the sub account, and if I turn the AI on, they're actually going to go back and forth. Oh, you can see here the message came through, and now you can see the other one is typing, and it should show appear here soon. So we can actually head back to the sub account to show you. So here on the chat, here we have a campaign. Well, actually I see it's going into a test campaign I created of pilot. So you can actually have multiple campaigns. You can see here WhatsApp is not enabled for this campaign. Should have probably done that first. So just enable that and then just save. I'll just do that again. And I can also just send a message from my phone actually. If I message from my phone, the contact should appear here as well. There you have it. And it should respond soon, and we can see it's responding. It's really that easy to set all of this up, and that's it. We just set up a fully branded AI sales platform for a client. Custom domain, their branding, connected to their channels, AI trained on their business, campaigns running, check the clock. They have no idea this is DMChamp. Under the hood, this is your product as far as they're concerned. Their own branded dashboard, their own domain, AI handling their conversations. Now let me talk about the numbers that make all of this work, because the setup is easy. The real question is how much money you can actually make doing this. A lifetime license for an AI sales platform that you can white label and resell. Here's what the math looks like. Most AI reseller platforms charge you monthly, $200 a month, $300, $500. That eats into your margins before you even land your first client. You're paying platform fees before you even made $1. The AppSumo deal is a one-time payment. You pay once, you own it forever. No monthly platform cost, which means every dollar your client pays you is margin. Let's say you charge a client $300 a month. That's conservative. Most agencies charge more for AI sales automation. One client at $300 a month is $3,600 a year. 2 clients and you've more than covered the lifetime deal cost. Everything after that is pure profit. 5 clients at $300 a month, $18,000 a year. 10 clients, $36,000, and your platform cost $0. You already paid for it. You see where this goes? And here's the part that matters most. These clients don't cancel because the AI is actually making the money. A chatbot that answers questions is a cost. Costs get cut. An AI that closes deals and books appointments achievements is revenue. Revenue doesn't get cancelled. That means you're not chasing new clients every month to replace churned ones. They stay, they pay, and every new client you add is pure growth on top of what's already working. The AppSumo deal is live right now. Link is in the description. One-time payment, white label. The math works from client number 2, if not client number 1. AppSumo deals don't last. When it's gone, the only option is the monthly subscription, and I don't know how long they'll keep this one up. You don't need to build the AI. You don't need to be a developer. You need to be the person who puts the right tool in front of the right client. The deal's live. The setup takes 15 minutes. The first client conversation you have this week determines whether you're watching videos about AI or actually making money with it. Links in the description. Go get it.